Welcome to 25 Days of Animal Facts, where we're going to be talking today about my favorite type of fox, the gray fox. One look at the gray fox and you'll see immediately how it got its name from its nice kind of salt and pepper looking gray colored coat. They also have a bit of a rust color to them, or a reddish brown, and usually black on the face and a black stripe down their tail. Gray foxes are the second largest fox species, of course trailing just behind red foxes. And they can be found throughout North America and trailing down into South America as well. Another fun but not very well known fact about gray foxes is they are not a true fox. They are what's known as and I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong, I do have to read it so I apologize, but a paraphyletic fox, meaning that they're closely related to red foxes, but they are not in the genus Vulpes. Well, red foxes and other true foxes, I should say. Instead, gray foxes are in their own genus altogether called Urocyon. And they share this genus with their very close relative, the Channel Island fox, which is thought to be just a split of the gray fox subspecies that has been on the Channel Islands. And if you look at this lovely evolutionary tree behind me, you can also see gray foxes down here at the bottom, along with the island foxes, are actually considered the most primitive species of any canid, the most primitive canid species. So you can see the other foxes up here, and I want you to follow this evolutionary chain. They evolved sooner than any other canid as far as we are aware at this time. They are also expert tree climbers. They, because of their unique rotating wrists and semi-retractable claws, are able to climb up trees, which no other canid species does. They are able to climb up vertical trunks without any branches, as you can see in this video, and have even been spotted climbing up as high as 70 feet. And for all you vulture culture people out there, I'm going to show you how to tell a gray fox skull apart from a red fox skull. So first up, you can see the gray fox has that U shape where the red fox has that V shape. V for Vulpes, U for Urocyon. Very easy to remember. Now, a younger red fox, I should say, may have more of a U shape, or you may not be able to tell. Maybe you just have the bottom jaws. There's a trick there too. Let me show you. So if we look at just the bottom jaw, this is the red fox. You can see it's smooth here before getting to a notch, and then the part that connects to the rest of the skull. Whereas with the gray fox, it kind of has this severe angle before it gets to the notch and then the final notch. So if it's got that extra notch at the back, it's a gray fox. If it's kind of smooth on the bottom, it's a red fox. So again, if you're having a hard time telling, like this is a red fox and this is a gray fox, the ridges are a bit more defined on the gray fox, but it can be a little hard when the shapes are similar, when you have an immature or red fox who had weak jaw strength and maybe a gray fox who had greater jaw strength. Look for that extra bottom notch that you see on the gray fox here, not on the red fox there. I hope that you've learned something new about one of our really awesome nocturnal predators here in North America.